to our show, where the story never ends. Come on now, let's go!
Let's go!
Every story has a song, every song is new.
I'm so glad you came today.
Kate and friends and you.
Hello? Hey, I'm over here at the side of the house. Hi. I just wanted to see if any flowers had come up yet. There's a few, some little purple and yellow ones. You know the kind, they're called crocuses. Now that means spring, right, Mutt? Right, Minnie? Come on inside, we'll have some tea. Oh, I am happy to see those flowers. My yard has a lot of clover in it too, doesn't it? Clover. Now that makes me think of four-leaf clovers, and that makes me think of leprechauns. Like our friend Quigs from last week. Now Quigs, you remember, has lots of leprechaun sisters and brothers back in Ireland. They all live together in a hollow tree. Inside that tree, it's warm and cozy, but it's crowded too, especially at night. You can hear every sound, and that includes snoring. Does anybody snore at your house? Do you ever snore? Can you make a good snoring noise? I bet I can. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, snore! Whoa, that's good snoring. I know who else snores at my house, right, Mutt? Yeah, that's what I thought. Anyway, so one of Quigs' brother leprechauns is a little guy called Mooky. Now, Mooky can't stand the sound of snoring. Sometimes when he's trying to sleep, it makes him so mad he even wrote a song about it. Do you want to hear it? Are you ready? Are you comfortable? Then here's Mooky.
I'm lying in my bedroom. I try to get some rest, but something in my bedroom is being quite a pest. I look across the bedroom. I don't know what to do, because the source of all the noise is no one else but you. I love you, but you snore. I cannot tell a lie. And if you don't stop snoring, I'll have to sleep outside. You sound like a jet engine, or maybe like a drain that's all clogged up with slimy leaves and all backed up with rain. I try to stop my ears up, I try to hide my head, but you're so busy snoring, you drive me out of bed. I think I'll take my pillow and put it up a tree, 'cause sleeping with the squirrels in bed is quieter for me. I love you, but you snore. I cannot tell a lie. And if you don't stop snoring, I'll have to sleep outside. You sound like a jet engine, or maybe like a drain that's all clogged up with slimy leaves and all backed up with rain. I might as well make breakfast, although it's dark outside, and I hope that it is morning before these eggs are fried. When you wake up tomorrow, you won't know what to do, 'cause I'll be in the kitchen. And I snore worse than you. Ha! You love me, but I snore. You cannot tell a lie. And if I don't stop snoring, you'll have to sleep outside. I sound like a jet engine, or maybe like a train that's all clogged up with slimy leaves and all backed up with rain. I love you, but you snore. I cannot tell a lie. And if you don't stop snoring, I'll have to sleep outside. You sound like a jet engine, or maybe like a train that's all clogged up with slimy leaves and all backed up with rain.
Morning.
That's a funny song, Mooky. You know, some people still don't believe in leprechauns like Mooky. I do, of course. I believe in unicorns, too, because I know a girl who has one. Yeah, it lives at her house, in her room. Oh, her dad didn't believe it was there until one day well, that's another song.
Why do you not make your bed? Why do you not brush your head? Have you been asleep instead? Time to start the day.
But I was dancing with my unicorn since the day that I was born. Every night and every morn, dancing with my unicorn.
Do not be so silly, dear. Let me make this very clear. You'll be late for school, I fear, just like yesterday.
But I was dancing with my unicorn since the day that I was born. Every night and every morn, dancing with my unicorn.
Sweetie, let me tell you this. Unicorns, they don't exist. Give your dad a hug and kiss and let's be on our way.
But I'm still dancing with my unicorn since the day that I was born. Every night and every morn, dancing with my unicorn.
I will tell you one more time in this silly, silly rhyme. Unicorns aren't real and I'm tired of this game. So please stop dancing with your unicorn since the day that you were born. Every night and every morn, dancing with your unicorn.
Daddy, let me show you now. I will make you see somehow. Look this way and you'll say, wow, what a special day.
What? Now we're both dancing with our unicorn since the day that we were born. Every night and every morn, dancing with our unicorn.
I wish I had a unicorn to dance with too. Maybe one day I will. For now, I have Mutt and Minnie, and they're pretty great. Right, you guys? Hey, I bet they could even dance if they wanted to. Hey, that's right, Mutt. Good job. Good dancing. Oh, okay, look out, Mutt. No, not over there, Mutt. That's okay, Mutt. Yeah, we'll clean it up. You can help me. Okay, good dog. Do you have a pet? A cat, a dog, a lizard, a fish, or a unicorn? I would love to see a picture of it. You can send it to me at kateandfriends.ca. You can even subscribe to Kate and Friends so you'll never miss an episode. Oh, looks like we got an email already. I wonder who it's from. Hey, it's from our friend Josh. Josh tells the best jokes. Let's hear what he says today.
Just joshing, he's just joshing, he's just joshing around.
Why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9.
Good one, Josh. If you know any good jokes, send them to kateandfriends.ca. I'd love to hear them, and so would Josh. Hey, before we go today, I just want to say a quick hello to some of our friends in Halifax, Nova Scotia, San Diego, California, and Maidenhead, UK. Thanks for listening, you guys. It's great to know you're here with us. But now, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you all for being here. It wouldn't be any fun without you. Say goodbye, Mutt.
Bye.
Say goodbye, Minnie. See you next time on Kate and Friends. Okay, you guys, let's dance.
Now we're both dancing with our unicorn since the day that we were born. Every night and every morn, dancing with our unicorn.